Hello, thank you guys for tuning in to my hair tutorial. Today we'll be working with Al Gray's hair. I have two bundles of their kinky curly 24 and 22 inch ponytail. My client wanted something fun and flirty, kind of big and kind of long. So we're going to do a low ponytail tutorial. So stay tuned. Okay, so I parted the section from ear to ear, and then we're going to begin to press the outer part of my client's hair. Normally, to speed this process up, if their hair is pretty thin, you could probably just only press the outer area, but if their hair is pretty thick, you probably will want to go in between and the inside, just to press the inside at the roots just a little bit, just so it can give you that smooth mold that you're looking for. And yes, we're going to apply my product, which is the premium beeswax. We're going to apply that to her edges, and once you apply that to her edges, you're just going to smoothen it on in and create the ponytail. Okay, so now we're going to move to the top portion of her hair. This style we're going to do just a braid going down the middle, so we just want to just press out the other sides. As you can see, I already did my parting, so I'm just going to begin to braid a small braid in the middle of her forehead. Once we do that braid, I'm not using any added hair. It really all depends on your client, the fullness of her hair. But her hair is pretty full that I don't need to add any hair, if that makes sense. Alright, so now that we're finished braiding that braid down the middle, I went ahead and did the other side so you guys can get a familiar look on what I'm going for. So basically, we're going to slick this back down, and we're going to create some fun and edgy beeswax on the side. So as you can see, it's a very easy method. You're going to leave the baby hair out towards the front, and then the hair that's left out in the back, you're just going to brush that back, and that's going to be a part of the ponytail. You are going to go back and mold the baby hairs. To each his own on how you would like to mold your baby hairs, but this is a particular way that I do it that works easier and better for me. So don't forget to actually spray it also, that it can last for the 7 to 10 days that it's actually required to last. All right, now we're braiding her natural hair down so we can glue the ponytail on. I want to make this an extended ponytail only because she has two bundles and we want to make sure it all fits inside. This ponytail will be glued on, so to protect it, we're going to add some black neck strips. Now that we're done gluing the ponytail on, I'm going to take a little bit of braiding hair and braid it down. And once we finish braiding that braid down, we're going to wrap it around the ponytail. All right, so this is the finishing touches, y'all. We're just gonna get a wide tooth comb. You can spray a little water on it if you want to. Sometimes the water does weigh it down, and it doesn't give you that poofy look. We are trying to go for like a big poofy, big kind of like fluffy ponytail. So we're not gonna put any conditioner or mousse or nothing on it. We're just gonna fluff it out. I'm gonna spray it a little bit. And we're gonna curl the sides of her baby hairs, give her a little spice look. And then there we go. This is the finished product, y'all. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share my video. Premium Beeswax is a homemade product that I produce myself. If you would like to purchase, please log on www.thedifferenceisboutique.com to purchase. Thank you.